In this video, I'll be showing you how you can invest in crypto in 2024. Before I do so, this is Friday G's, and on this channel I make video about cryptocurrency and how you can make money from it. If this topic interests you, please subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can invest in cryptocurrency and make money for yourself. And guys, you should please know that different ways of investing in cryptocurrency. And in this video, I'm talking about one way, which is investing through staking. Investing through staking simply means you lock up some part of your money. You get lock up some part of your money, and you'll be giving commissions for the money you lock up. It's just like you keep your money in bank and you're getting commission for it. It's the same ways you get. But cryptocurrency investing through staking is much more safer. I think it's much more better than saving in bank, because investing through cryptocurrency offers the opportunity to earn much more money. If you lock up a coin and the coin pumps up, you are getting money, you are getting income or profit from the pump that it pump, and also you're also getting profit from the commission that you're going to get for locking up the money. You understand? So first thing first, in investing through cryptocurrency, you have to look for the coin that you're going to invest in. So in this particular video, I'll be making use of Solana as an example. I'll be investing in Solana in this video. I'll be using to show you as an example. So to do that, first, you need to have some USDT to your wallet. I'll be making use of Binance. You can also use other exchanges for it, but right now we make use of Binance, and on my Binance I have 8.92 USDT. For you to get, if you don't know how to get USDT, you can get USDT through P2P, or you can get USDT through P2P. So once you have your USDT on your wallet, ensure the USDT is in your spot wallet. As you can see right here, I have 8.92 USDT in my spot wallet. So what I'll be doing is very simple. First thing is to hit on this trade. You have to convert your USDT to the coin that you want to invest in. As I said, I'm making use of Solana. So I just have to click on trade right now. Once I click on trade, I hit on this place that said convert. Once I hit on the convert button, so I'm converting my USDT to Solana. So here will be USDT, and on this place is going to be Solana. Once I do so, I need to hit on maximum. Getting on maximum, you can input the number of USDT you want to convert to Solana. So I just hit on the preview conversion, or hit on the convert. And once I do so, my USDT is successfully converted to Solana. So once I've done that, you can head back to your wallet. So on your wallet, right, you're going to see, let me scroll up, please be patient with me. On your wallet right now, this is Solana coin that I've gotten. All I need to do is for me to tap on the Solana. Once I do so, it's going to bring this page up on me. As you can see right here, end Solana APR up to 156.11%. This means that I can earn commission of up to 156% on my Solana coins. So I'll just have to tap on it. As you can see right here, I can lock up my Solana coin. I will give you 0.85% to 8.95%. Depending on the amount of Solana I'm willing to lock up. I'm willing to invest. So you can try to lock it up for 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, and any 8.9%. You understand? So I just simply tap on it. It's Solana coin. I leave this thing. I put this at 120 days. I will any 8.9% on the amount of SOL I have in my wallet. After that, I just hit on it on the confirm. For you can set to check on the product for you to know more about how this thing works. Then check on this button for you to know how these simple ways of any free or investing in cryptocurrency works. Before you do this. So I'll just go to the summary, hit on the confirm button. I have to check this. Check this button, and hit on the confirm. Once I do so, as you can see, if I hit on the go to wallet right now, you can see on the in session, you can see right here, my Solana is currently on in session. I have two coins that I've locked up that I have staked. The first is my Shiba coin, the other is my Solana coin, which I've locked up which I've invested in. So guys, this is a simple method of investing in Solana. This is a simple method of investing in cryptocurrency in 2020. for. You can go back, you can go to the end session to check how much you'll be getting and your profit. You can see for this particular one that I lock up, I mean 0.02. And for this particular one, the percentage I'll be in, if I skip down right, you can see I'm in 8.9% on it. So guys, this is simple method of investing in cryptocurrency. If you find this video helpful, do to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of this kind of content. Friday this year, peace out.